Don't touch it. Don't you dare. Don't you. Oh, great. Stop. The other one's is gonna fall down. Why are you being so mean to me? Huh. It didn't touch anything. Must be my lucky day. Or not. That drought is gonna go plumbing up already fast. Must have took a year for that to plumb up fast. Anyway, the water's very limited back there. Upgrades the big rock thing. We all don't need these rocks. These rocks sucks. They're mean. A lot of breakings. Just go through the 3. Great, we only have a Beyblade now. A Beyblade now. A bow bait. There I am. I'm red now. Alright, let's go back. Back to shore. Our ship is being destroyed. Let's say our glass and our slime thing. It's all disappearing. No! We could have made it together, guys. Actually, we did. Come on. Oh, and that I have. This I definitely do have. Why can't I receive it? Retrieve it. Let's explore more of the space. Alright, let's go. Give us the money, give us the treasure, give us all that we need. Oh, what's this now? Oh my god! It's a nuke! What is this? Is this more nukes? Oh my god, look what I found. after hitting eggs, no one of their seeds here. Let's go buy these things because we need them and we're that desperate. Come on, hurry up. Whatever. Look what we found. An egg! An egg! It's killing us. It's killing us. It's killing us. Whatever. Ooh, I wonder if we can collect this egg. It's Easter. I love it. Oh. I think I know what it is. Oh, I need to earn this egg. So that's what it is. Oh my god. It's just going so fast now. Stop, 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 stop. I hope it's this one. No! Give it, give it, give it. Please give me the egg. Oh, I didn't get the egg. What does this one do? Hey, are we playing tic-tac-toe? We are! Ha! Ha! Decide whether or not your fate is decided. I won. Ha! Nub!